Alma of the Airwaves and Lucky of the Orange Couch. On Friday, April 16th. Last Saturday, I got my new wardrobe from Ali, and so this is the 7th day I'm wearing something that she gave me. Okay, just for the record. Today, beautiful Friday. You know the art supply, art material store, Curry's? Curry's has a beautiful location in Mississauga, where I live, in Dundas and Dixie. And they now operate curbside mode, which means you go to the store and you're going to see a picture, and then there is a plexiglass, and there is a gentleman who is selling things, and you tell them what you want, and he brings it out. So today, I got more solvent. I got something special. He told me a brush cleaner and restorer. I'm not sure, but he said I have to buy this. He said I have to buy this for cleaning brushes, Total Care, and I got finally some more of the most beautiful rich gold that I needed for my painting, because I'm progressing on my beautiful Mater Dolorosa. Okay, there's going to be more gold, and so I'm getting there. So happy to work on this. I don't know, it's just been so nice. For the literally section, we're going to use our favorite, Simple Abundance, because for today, April 16, she has a wonderful suggestion on how to walk as meditation. Okay, walking as meditation. We're locked down. There are no swimming pools, but we can walk and walk and walk. And we actually, according to my doctor, have to walk at least 1 hour a day. You can do it in 2 portions of 30 minutes, in the morning, in the evening. Why is it that I love my dog so much? Because he takes me out every morning and every evening for a walk. I call him my oxygen mask, because he supplies all the oxygen I need, because we walk and walk and walk. So Lucky is my savior. He's sleeping now, but you see him in the video in the morning, which was beautiful. We got again lucky because there were not, there were actually 7 swans in the lake. A 7th one was somehow delivered. I remember the beautiful joke about how people end up on an island, but it's a long story that I'll tell you another time. Because let's go back to the meditation. Walking as meditation. So she says, slowly I'm learning what Henry David Thoreau knew. What does he say? It requires a direct dispensation from heaven to become a walker. It's not easy to start walking, but if we see it as exercise, it's really tedious, and then we find an excuse not to pull out the walking shoes. But if you meditate, she says, I walk as if I'm walking my soul, and my body follows. 20 minutes a day minimum, absolute minimum, walking outside, oxygen, and plenty of it, and daily, no excuse. It has to be done daily. Enjoy the video. It's long because it was just the participants were excellent. We met a new doggy, Carly. You're gonna meet Carly this morning, fabulous 8-month dog. And we're gonna see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is already the weekend. It's gonna be Saturday.